Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today I want to share the tutorials how to cut a video on CapCut from your iPhone or iOS. So first, let's have a new project and import which video that you want to cut. So for me, I want to have this video because since this video is quite long here, 12 seconds, I want to make it shorter. So how to make it shorter? There are several ways. So first thing, before you edit it, make sure the clip is in active mode. Click it, and then there is a lot of features that we can use over here. So to cut it, you can choose make it active, and then first adjusting which second that you want to stop this video. For me, I want to stop in the 5 second, and I just click split, and then you can delete the second clip and delete the watermark too. And now we only have 5 videos from 12 videos that previously we have. That's the first way, and then we also have the next way, or the second way. It's make it easier. So you just need to simply make it in active mode. Okay, and now just find out the end, or either the end or the first videos, and then drag it into the point that you want to stop the videos. I want to make it 5. Okay, and now the video is already cut in from like 12 seconds into 5 seconds only. So that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave some comments, subscribe, and like into this channel.